Welcome back to Caroline's Home, guys. Listening to some old records today. This is Ernest Tubb and Loretta Lynn right now we're listening to. Got this stuff kind of set up in, I don't know, like got my country, old 60s, 70s country here. Classic rock. This is some of my grandpa's stuff I inherited from him. These are mine. Rest of these are some of his stuff. Same with down here, a lot of classical. I don't know if y'all can read some of that, but and then there's some miscellaneous stuff in there. Some more classical. A lot of these are the old a lot of these are the old 78s. You know, like the Three Stooges used to smash over each other's heads. They're very fragile. And here's some of his old pipes. This pipe's mine and that pipe's mine. All the rest are ones I got from him. Old pocket watch. Anyway, got these when he passed away. Inherited those along with all the records. But actually, that's him right there with my daughter. But anyway, these were his records and stuff, and we're also working on my M1 Garand. Just trying to not go too stir crazy with all this coronavirus stuff. But what we've been doing today, I just basically stripped it all down. I had to do some, when I first got this gun, I've had it for about less than a year. Never thought I'd be able to afford a gun like this or something as cool as this. But what happened was this is not the let me grab something, guys, sorry. This is not the hang on, man, I'm not doing too well, guys, sorry. Trying to shoot and move stuff around. This is not an Arsenal stock or an original stock. There's no proof marks, no inspection marks, nothing. So this is all aftermarket. It's a good stock. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. I'm not a purist. I don't care if it's not perfect. But it was very tight when I got the gun. And the first few times I cycled the action, I cracked it right here. Focus. So I got a crack right there. So what I did was I sanded it, gave it some more relief where the bolt moves back and forth, and gave it a little bit more relief where it fits up against the receiver. And I just took it apart, put some fresh stain on it, some gun stock stain. It's not a perfect match, but it's good enough for what I'm doing, which is having fun with it. And then I thought I'd just clean it up, get some of the old grease off of it, and re-grease it, clean it up. And then we'll maybe do a shooting video this week. I don't know, hadn't figured it out yet, but me and my daughter shot it a few weeks back, so it needs cleaning. But anyway, I'm gonna check into this, get this all back together, and then I'll let y'all take a look at her, because she's a beauty. Alright, be right back. Alright, there she is, all back together. Looking beautiful, nice and clean, everything greased and lubricated. Anyway, that's kind of what I've been doing my time. sequestered in my house. Gotta go back to work Friday night. I'm essential. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed it.